Hi, my name is Michaela Chavez. One of my favorite quotes is by Oscar Wilde. To live is one of the rarest things in the world. Most people just exist, that is all. I believe that this is one of the truest statements. And that's why we're here today. Even though we're all going to be watching these at different times, we're going to share some things about our lives. I am Michaela Chavez, and this is a short story of my life. I am from Columbus, Georgia. I traveled a lot: Colorado, Louisiana, Germany, Statesboro, and I loved it, but here I am back in school. I am a fire science major, and my main focus has been emergency services. I previously studied psychology before transferring, and I've been flying airplanes since I was 15. I am a EMT/advanced EMT, and I have been studying emergency services for the past 8 months. It has been a crazy experience, but I wouldn't trade it for anything. It really has been eye-opening. I worked with the local Columbus hospitals and Phoenix City Care Ambulance. Everyone was extremely nice during the entire process, and I got really lucky. Before I got here, I was a psychology major. I've always wanted to help people, I just never really knew how, and I'm still learning that. I'm not sure if I want to stay in EMT, but I'd like to stay in the medical field. I studied psychology from my senior year of high school until almost a year ago when I changed my major. I loved it from the moment that I started, and I do still read about it and study when I can. But before any of this, I started one of my favorite adventures, and I started flying planes with my dad. It was a Valentine's Day present, and I fell in love. I haven't finished my pilot's license yet due to moving around, but I will soon. With this being said, this is a little of how I think I lived. In conclusion, this is me, and this has been a short story of my life. Have you lived, or are you just existing?